Hello guys, welcome to this video. So right now I'm just doing some painting in the studio, but I've taken some time today to show you a US30 bot that I've been using that can have really good success for you. Now, the best thing about this is that US30 is a lot more volatile, and you've also got NAS100 and the SP500 that this bot can trade. Now you're probably wondering, why would you want a bot that trades in a volatile market? Well, the answer is because it's going to allow you to make more profit on a daily basis. So you're not having to wait to, for days and days being in drawdown. If you're using, for example, just Forex pairs, or if you're trading or even if you're trading gold can trend a lot. Whereas the S&P 500, NAS100, the Dow, Theta, whatever you want to call it, they will be volatile. So they're going to get you in and out of trades a lot faster. So let me just go to my screen here. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to set up this trading robot. So the first thing you're going to need to do is, once you get this bot, is literally open a chart. So here I'm just opening a NAS100 chart. So this works on the 1 hour time frame because it allows us to see more of the chart, more of the greater trend of how the US30 is working. Anything lower than your H1 time frames is going to be too concentrated in terms of you're not going to be able to see the general trend. 4 hours is a little bit too long for the NAS100 because the market is only open mostly for the New York session. So 1 hour is perfect for us. So what I'm going to do here is I'll literally just drag the US30 Ea onto the chart, press yes, and then on here it's actually optimized to detect when the market is best to trade. So it actually has a candle time 1 and candle time 2 opening times. So this is actually calibrated into the system that it recognizes when there's going to be those certain particular movements for the NAS100 and the US30. It's just how the market works. It's a little bit of a trade secret. So when you see a lot of traders that trade the NAS and the US30, you notice they trade at very similar times. Now there is a little bit of a secret to this in terms of how it's coded in, but when you get the bot, you kind of understand how it works. So then on here, the risk settings, there's the beauty of this bot. So you can choose fixed lot or you can choose percentage trade. Now if you choose percentage trade, that means you can risk 0.5% or maybe even 1%, or maybe if you want to pass a trading challenge, you can risk 2%, so that if you trade, let's say 2 trades and they're successful, you're going to get just under 4%, depending on if there's a cutoff on your trade, but you could get 4% in a single day. Now, of course, that means that you could lose 2 trades and get 4%, but the way that this kind of bot works is that it has a high win rate. We're talking like 8 out of 10 trades it wins, sometimes even 9 out of 10 trades it wins. So on here, risk percent, when I'm doing a trading challenge, I like to risk 1% because it's rare it's going to lose 4 trades in a row, but it's going to win at least some trades in the day. So I like to risk 1%, and then I don't need to change any of these position sizes or balances. That's all related to if you're doing these sort of settings, balance or fixed lot. Now, one thing I also like is when you put risk percentage, it means you don't have to calculate how many pips in terms of your loss it is if you're doing a challenge, for example, in Ftmo or different type of account. You don't need to be thinking about, what percent is one lot after 550 pips or something like that. This calculates it automatically for you. Now it's actually got a flat market detector. They can put 2 true or false. Now what this actually does is it detects if the market is flat. Now what does it mean by that? So for example, if the market is really flat, you obviously don't want to be opening trades all the time, because then you're not going to be able to hit your pip target if the market is not really fluctuating that much. So you can actually put this to false, and then you can also set it to analyze how many candles you want it to analyze. So 14 candles, you can set it to analyze to see if the market is flat. And then you can also let it draw a box to show when the market is flat. And then you can also just leave all these settings as they are. Now, this bot is literally a godsend because if you're looking to trade USD and Us100, it's the quickest way you're actually going to make a lot of money, double an account, triple an account, quadruple an account, because USD and Us100, they move so fast. And also, unlike gold, you don't need to worry about them trending too much. You can actually open lots of small little trades and still make a lot of profit. A lot of the best traders I know do trade Us100 and US30. There's a very good reason why. It's the fastest way to grow accounts and pass challenges. So if you're interested in this bot, message me in the links below or comment down below and I'll get you sorted with that. And yeah, that's it for this quick little short video, and I'll catch you in my next video. See ya.